Alright, today I'm doing my first vlog video and I'm teaching my son how to make jerk chicken. So first we are gonna do a little bit of dry ingredients and get it going. So pour some of them dry ingredients in there for me, please. Can pour a little bit more of the complete seasoning.
Okay.
Alright, that's good. Mix that up. Alright, that's enough. Alright, take out the fork. Gotta take out the fork. Alright, start sprinkling it on the chicken, please. Sure you get it all up in there, yeah. Not too much, because we're gonna put the rub on it. So sprinkle. Yeah. Come on. Sprinkle. Make sure all of that work for all the chicken, that pieces of chicken that you got, please. Come on. Yeah, you're gonna do this process on all the chicken, everything, but you know me, I gotta speed up the video. So as we finish with the dry seasoning, so now you're gonna put the wet paste. Let me see the wet paste that you got, dude. Alright, this is what you're working with, but you can use any jerk seasoning paste you can use, or you can make your own. It's easy to make your own, but sometimes it's better to just go out there and buy one, you know, if you want to do it easy. So pour some of that in there. That's all right. That's good. That's good. All right. Good. You start putting on that chicken. Make sure you get it on the inside, on the skin, all of that. Make sure you get it. Just rub it. Not too much, not too much, because you want it to spread, not too much. Just rub it. Yeah, just rub it, rub it.
Like a jerk chicken, very spicy.
Yeah, and get the other side also. Just rub it. Yeah. Get all of that there. Alright, dude. Yeah, keep seasoning. Your pace is a little bit slow, but it's okay.
I'm learning.
Yeah, you're learning, so. Alright? Yeah, so that's all you gotta do with all these meat. The seasoning, you know, the seasoning to your liking. The more you put, the more spicy it gets. And sometimes the seasoning is a little bit salty, so you don't want to use too much. So that's why I kind of try to use a little bit of powder seasoning all the time on it. So once he finished seasoning these up, then we get back to the video. Okay guys, he finished seasoning it up. Just rub it up a little bit. Yeah, just tumble them a little bit together. And we're gonna put it down and let it sit for like an hour before we throw it on the grill. Alright, let's mix it up. I think that's fine. I don't think that's gonna be real spicy, but hey, you doing it, not me.
Yep.
Alright.
Got it.
Yeah, we outside now with this grill. It's a little bit hot, windy outside. Got the grill warmed up. Yep. And he got his chicken right here. So he gonna put it on it and see what happens. Alright, we're about to put on the grill now. Come on. Let's go, boy. Get them thing on the grill. Oh, poor child. Struggling. Let's go. Alright, make sure you set them so you can fit them around there. Some more over here. Guys, now we done. Put all of them on the grill. Let's see what happens. I'm back outside. I'm going to try to flip these because I really don't want them to burn. But I don't know where my son had. He was just out there earlier. I don't know what he planned to do. Come on, dude. Get the part. You flip these. Come on. Flip them.
What the girl I do?
Yeah. Yeah, you're flipping them the opposite way. So whichever side you want to start from, you can start from. Sure. Just go like this. See, this one is not that burnt, but you can just flip it for now. You can always put it back over. But you just don't want them to get burnt. Yep. You don't want them to get burnt. Now you can wait, but I don't want them to get burnt. Not bad. Don't want them to get burnt. This one started having a little char on it. Not bad. Yeah, but that's all you gotta do. You just don't want them to burn. You know, normally you could wait a longer time to flip them, but just take my time. I don't want you to burn. Alright? Right now like this, a lot of oil is gonna come from the chicken and go on the grill, but this one, just have to pay attention so they don't burn. Alright?
Yeah.
I'm out here checking in on this chicken. What this boy doing? Make sure it's coming out good. Yeah, they look okay. Still need to go longer. I'm checking what my son doing outside. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. For a rookie. Beautiful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this steam a little bit more, and then we are gonna chop it up and get it done. While my son was outside, I was busy in here doing some other things, cooking some rice. Look at that rice. Here you go. Making some other vegetable for it. You already know. Then I was making some sauce at the same time. Some sauce for the chicken. Yeah. So once we get that chicken chopped up, then we're gonna share out some of this food, take a taste, see what it's like. Cut up some of these. We'll go free credit, but falling off the damn bump. Wow. Okay. Alright, moist. So you can see. Nice line. You wouldn't want to cut it, and then when you cut it in a straight line. That means it's dry, so it's moist. All right. Let's check out the chicken that my son make on the grill. Even though he was outside, every minute checking the grill, killing the temperature.
I'm just making sure it don't burn.
He didn't want it to burn, so got a nice char on it. So we're gonna do a taste test, sample it and see what it is, and then we're gonna get to serving. So we finish. This is a finished product. What my son did. Yeah, my daughter, they don't like a lot of food, so can't get them a lot of meat. Here you go. Beautiful.